co-productions are fantastic. If you can find a story that is culturally appropriate and really interesting to certainly the Chinese audience and the Australian audience, but also for the international market, fantastic. So we know that we have an official government treaty between China and Australia for co-productions. We must focus on this, but also other aspects. I'm happy to work in China as a producer. Sometimes the Chinese can come out and give us advice on VFX or other aspects. There's a strong framework from which to step forward. It starts with the writing, things like production design. We can learn a lot from each other, technology sharing, there's many things.
There's a lot that we do here for all sorts of reasons, which is valuable to China. And of course there's a lot that China does that's valuable to us. I think, you know, when they get together and make movies together, might be certain technology that China's film industry got that we haven't got. There might be things that we do that China doesn't. Then you get the collaboration.
近几年来，中国电影一直在探索走向国际的有效之路，在国际电影的舞台上占到了一席之地，扩大了中国文化的国际影响力和传播力。